Something brand about Ja Rule. It's called Clapback. Shout out to the Murder Inc. on this. Dedication to a homo. I see you.
You know.
Now the world knows.
Who's saying what's happening, nigga?
Tuck in your skirt.
Alright, shadows pop. Yeah. My nigga O1 in the motherfucking house. Oh, where's Jody in the house? Jody, my nigga Cadillac.
I'm your idol.
Gotti, what up? Black Child, what up? I like to work from all my niggas to the world famous Murder Inc. show. Big shout to all my Queens niggas, all my Staten Island niggas, all my Uptown niggas, all my Brooklyn niggas, all my Bronx niggas, yeah. All my Jersey niggas, you know. All my we doing it real big right here. All my money niggas. This shit commentator on the ones and twos. They call me the Mighty Rule. How you living? It's real shit we talking. I wanna ask all my gangsta niggas a real question.
Only the truth.
What do you do when niggas spit at you?
Clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back.
Let's take them to war, niggas.
We gon' clap back, we gon' clap back.
Let's go to war, motherfucker.
Take them to war, niggas. We gon' clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back.
Let's take them to war, niggas.
You started it,
we gon' clap back,
and I'ma finish you off.
Fuck you hollering about rule, nigga. Here's the real. I pop your top like champagne bottles to chill or nothing but ice. Now I send it up to the greatest to tell him I'm nice too. Plus push some nice grooves that ink roll like deuce, man. I'm OG Bobby J, and we slinging soccer fields, yay. Nigga, respect that, or get your mind around and get it pushed back. Y'all don't want that. I send them to the morgue while keeping my bitches bouncing for sure. In the club with no gun, got them taking it off. Can't help that. I'm that nigga that puts it down once I hit. That's them up in the mind, axing them home in the throwback. West 44 Lakers, let's make no mistakes when these F's take place. What's the procedure with a gun in your face when you got one in your waist? Let's cock back, nigga. Air out the face.
Clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back.
Let's take them to war, niggas.
We gon' clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back.
Let's take them to war, niggas.
We gon' clap back.
You little fat faggot.
We gon' clap back.
Let's take them to war, niggas.
It's what you wanted, right? It's what you wanted.
Rule be in the club, rule motherfucker pop in the bubbly. When shit get ugly, I hug the snub closely. But usually used to see your bitches dancing on some freak shit, trying to ride my dick. I can handle it, long as they manage to get their ass in front of my dick and dance. The bigs for more chance. I'm catching hate from a glance, but I'm a giant. These niggas is mere ants. I'll stop them out with a stand. The bitches the backhands. Pimp shit, it's not realistic. The game is heavy, it's not get it twisted. I'm young, black, and gifted, but still at the bottom and stuck somewhere between Gomorrah and Sodom. I'm here to make this rap shit hotter than Harlem. Fuck the dog, beware rule, cause I'm the problem. What's the procedure with a gun in your face when you got one in your waist? This cock back, nigga, air out the face. We gon'
clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back.
Let's take them to war, niggas.
We gon' clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back.
Let's take them to war, niggas.
We gon' clap back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back.
Let's take them to war,
Rest
niggas.
in peace. Your mixtape career, motherfucker.
Let's take them to war, nigga. Like Bush and Saddam. I'ma find out what M. Light is hotter than Bob. First, it could be much worse. I could be hotter than your scrubs. Mask and gloves, gun hot to burn that ass up. I'd rather be bossed up with a bunch of bras. The freak this door, the screaming out, fuck the Lord. I may have struck the chord with the Christians, but y'all got the freakiest bitches out of all the religions. And God gave me his blessing to handle my business on these wanks, the snitches. Let the Nina